mainly about linear functions. Don't know what that is? Let me teach you something. With linear function, you have formula for slope, standard form, slope, intercept, point, slope, form, not form, but form. So sit on down and stick around and watch us put it down.
What's up? Today I'll be teaching you about formula for slope. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And these are the points I'll be using for your example. Now we know that you only need 2 points on the graph to make a line. So these are 2 points. x1 is 4, y1 is -1, and the other point is x2 is -2, and y2 is +3. Now that we know the points, we're going to be using the actual formula for slope to get the answer. As you can see, our answer is 4 over -6. Now that we have the answer, what I did to simplify this fraction, 4 over -6, is I took the least common factor and divided both numbers into that least common factor. And got this, 2 over -3. And that's how you solve formula for slope. Chill! I'll hand it over to you, Mo.
Today we will be turning standard form ax plus by equals c into slope-intercept form y equal mx plus b. We will be working with the equation ax plus 2y equals 4 and we'll be solving for y. To get y by itself, the first thing you do is subtract 8x from each side. Now that 8x on one side is gone, you want to move -8x in front of the 4. And that now leaves us with 2y equals -8x plus 4. Next thing you do is divide everything by 2. 2 divided by 2 cancels out. -8x divided by 2 equals -4x. And 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Once everything is divided by 2, that will leave us with y equals -4x plus 2. It is now in slope-intercept form.
What's up? I'll be teaching you slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, and I will be turning it into ax plus by equals c. You may be asking, well, how am I going to do that? Or how are you going to do that? Well, today I'll be teaching you how to accomplish your goal. The equation we will be using today is y equals 3 over 4x plus 6. How to do this, we will multiply everything by 4 because it's the denominator. And this is what it would look like. 4 times y equals 4 times 3 over 4x plus 4 times 6. This will become this. First, what you would have to do is multiply 4 times y, and like the arrow is pointing at below, you would get 4y. Then because we multiplied 4, which was the denominator, by everything, the 4 times 3 over 4 cancels out and becomes 3x. Now the last thing for this equation, you would just have to multiply 4 times 6, and that will equal 24. Now when the rules are applied, we come out with the equation 4y equals 3x plus 24. Now we will be changing slope-intercept form into standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. That means that the x will have to be placed on the other side with y and positive. So now we will be doing that. To do that, we will have to subtract 3x from both sides. What happens when you subtract 3 from both sides is that the +3 and the -3 that we're subtracting is going to make a 0, which is going to cancel out the x and transfer to the other side. And now it will look like this. The equation is -3x plus 4y equals 24. Now that we have the ax plus by equals c equation down, I would like to turn the ax into a positive because right now it's at a -3x. I will be doing that by multiplying each side of the equation by -1. This will basically reverse every number but the first number. Now that the equation went from slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, to standard form, which is ax plus by equals c, our goal is now accomplished. I hope you learned something from that. Back to you, Moy.
Hey guys, I'm back. And now we're going to find the equation of a line given 2 points. These are the 2 points we will be using for this example, 2 and 4 and 6 and 12. This is the equation of a line in point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line and x and x1 are coordinates of one of the points on the line. Here's the formula to find the slope of the line. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Back to our points, we're now going to plug them into the formula for slope. You want to plug in 12 for y2, 4 for y1, 6 for x2, and 2 for x1. That'll look like m equals 12 minus 4 over 6 minus 2. Now you want to simplify the expression. 12 minus 4 equals 8, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. That leaves us with 8 over 4. Now we want to divide 8 by 4, and that'll leave us with 2. 2 is our slope. Now that we have our slope, we can go back and plug in one of the 2 points for the equation of a line in point-slope form. You could use any point you want, but I'm using the point 2 and 4. And the equation of the line is y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 2. Now that I've told you about linear functions, you now know what that is. I hope I taught you something. I'm going to say it again so you get the gist. I hope you kept strong and stick with it. The linear function, you have formula for slope, standard form, form slope intercept, point slope form, not form but form. So now that you know what a linear function is, you are now a linear function whiz. Today I'll be telling you about linear functions. Don't know what that is?